This video is to share with you how a manager or a distributor who is using Super Sales can use this tool to monitor his team and get all the information regarding what activities are being done in by his team in Super Sales. So by default, the dashboard opens with the two tabs, visits and orders. The default date is today. You can set it to any previous date also. So all the direct reportees to the manager, they come in this list, and so you can set it to any date and view the dashboard for that particular date. So here we are on the visits tab. So all your direct reportees, their total visits planned, total visits done in green, in yellow are the visits missed, and red is where they have done some kind of update on the visit. So when you click on any person, his daily movement report, his visit report, missed visit report, visit update and order, so his daily reports come in. So clicking on any one person on the dashboard opens the visit tab, visits opens the report tab. Now you can also see the report of any previous day. So if you look at the movement report, it starts from his attendance, his location of attendance, his time of attendance, then each store that he visited, in time, out time, distance traveled, time spent at store, speed of travel. So his entire movement through the day is captured in the movement report. At the bottom there is a map icon. You click on that and you can also see his entire movement on the map, plotted on the map, where each store is plotted using an icon, location icon, and then the in time, even attendance is plotted as an icon, is in time at each store is also captured. So you can also see only the visits. Now when you click on any visit in the report, whether it is movement report or the visit report, you get into the details of the visit. You can see the visits he missed. You can see the updates that he has done. The update means the report that he has logged in for every visit. Whatever visit report, whatever he has entered in the visit report, you can see in the visit update. And then the last tab is the order tab, where all the orders that he has logged in today would come in. So when you click on any visit, it opens the detail tab which has the visit report. Any picture that he has added will come here. If he has updated stock or any merchandising, store check, all of this will come in this under the visit. So right from the dashboard you can drill down to a person, and from that person you can see the summary of his report, and you can even drill down to the details of every visit made or every order that he has punched in. So this is a visits tab, and now you can go to the attendance tab on the top of the screen. So your entire team for today, whatever time they have logged in and whatever time they have logged out, will come here. So everybody is in time and out time. If they have not logged out, only the in time will come. You want to see for any previous date, so I say 10th of November, then I will see each person's in time, out time and time spent on field. If I click on one person, then that person's entire monthly attendance report will come, which in time, out time of each date. And when I click on any particular day, I will see his location, the location where he started, the location where he ended. So you can again see the details of attendance of each person. If you click on the home icon, you will come back to the home screen. So next to visits is the orders tab, which will list at the bottom, at the bottom of the screen is the order tab, which will list all the orders that have been punched by your team, sorted by date by default. There's a filter option. You can filter this by customer, you can filter this by product, by salesperson. So if you have a team of say 10 salespeople reporting to you, you can select any one person and you can see only the orders punched in by that person. So again, in a date wise sorted orders, the list of all the orders will come. You want to sort by a particular date or filter by a particular date, so you can get orders for a particular date. So by date, by person, these orders, you can share a particular order using WhatsApp with anybody else. So the order in PDF format gets shared. So in the order list, there is a share button which can be used to share any order. So you can now, there is a report tab at the bottom, so where you can select any particular person. From the dashboard we clicked on that person, but when you select the report tab at the bottom, you select the person whose report you want to see, and the same report we saw earlier will come in with all the same tabs that we saw earlier. Now there's a very important task, especially the distributors will need to do, which is to export all the orders, as well as if you want to see the sales plan of your team, there is a sales plan tab under the main menu on the left. So you can select any person and you can see what are the visits he has planned for today, which are still pending. So you can see the plan of any, even for a future date, you can see the visits which are planned by any salesperson under sales plan. So this same sales plan is the home screen of the frontline sales executives. So now this is the option to export this report. The order report is something you can export in Excel format to your email ID. So you can put the start date, end date, the select report type as sales order, and this will immediately trigger an email to you with the Excel as the attachment. Another option is to view all the mapped customers to you. So this will, all the customers of all your team members will come in this list. So at one list you will get all the stores which are mapped to all your team members. So if you have 10 team members and each has say average of 500, you will see 5,000 stores, a list of 5,000 stores here. Now you can go and edit any customer also. Just click on that customer and edit option opens if you want to change the segment or any other changes that you wish to make. You can use this option to edit any customer. You can change the tagging of a customer. So from one executive, if you want to change the tagging, you can even tag to multiple executives, to multiple DSMs, DSRs. So broadly, this is the summary of all the functions which managers and distributors need to perform.